if you are anything like me, you're probably looking for something that is pretty much as push button as possible. The kind of thing where literally everything is done for you. You basically got to push a few buttons in order to start making some money. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about my review of Children's Story Prompt Empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Ham. I'm known as the Man in the Hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can promote successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil. Over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, and by the way, if you are not new, you know by now that I tell these stale dad jokes every single time. You'd think I would get some new material by now. I keep complaining about Bart not getting new material, and I do it myself. But hey, I like my jokes, so I tell them. Anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't buy much of crap.
That's right. And I love crap.
Well, speaking of new, you're new. Still talking about crap, though. Dude, nobody wants crap. Nobody. I don't care if you're new here. You don't want it any more than any of these other people like Barton, that crazy guy who talks about loving crap. Nobody wants crap. Nobody. Crazy people I deal with every single day. Crap. Seriously, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like your product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here about my mindset and entrepreneurship.
Billionaire entrepreneur.
Well, thank you, Barry. That is very kind of you. I'm not quite a billionaire yet. I'm working on it. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
yes, exactly. Good God, where is Liz Lemon? Okay, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so look right now at the sales page for Children's Storybooks Prompt Empire. This is from my friend Alessandro. Alessandro is very well known for really making a ton of money out of AI systems. And what he's done is he's worked on finding ways of taking things like ChatGPT and Midjourney and making money off of them. And what he did here was really quite ingenious because there's a huge market for children's stories. And so what he's done is he's put together a set of 600 prompts that you can use with ChatGPT and Midjourney to actually create done-for-you stories. That means that you literally will have the stories ready to roll the second that you put these things in, and all you got to do is sell them. Now, of course, selling them, that's part of the problem, right? Well, not part of the problem if you buy it through my link, because exclusively from me, I actually am going to take care of you. First of all, I'm going to give you my exclusive list of 25 plus places to sell the artwork on. So even if you don't want to make the stories, you can use the artwork prompts, sell them using my exclusive list. Okay, it is, nobody else has got it. I am the only one who has this list to give away, and you can go and sell these things. And by the way, none of these places that are on my list are Etsy. So, you know, it's not Etsy, it's not Fiverr, it's not eBay. Okay, these are places that are not saturated. But of course, I'm not done yet. I've also got a list of places to sell the children's books. So I'm gonna make sure that you have places to sell. But I really wanted to take this to the next level. So I added a few additional bonuses for you that really are going to blow your mind. So first and foremost, I was thinking about this idea of children's books. Now, back when I was a kid, back in the dark ages, I know, we used to have these things called choose your own adventure stories, where it was a paperback book and you would read a certain amount of it, and then it would say, you pick how you want the story to end. Turn to page 103 for this ending, turn to page 94 for this ending. And you could actually pick the ending of your own adventure. Well, I just found a brand new AI system that will let you create your own choose your own adventure stories, where it's basically you're going to give it a simple prompt and tell it what you want the story to be about. And then it's going to ask, okay, now you've read this part, how do you want the story to continue? It's a very, very cool system because it's basically creating that choose your own adventure story. You can even go back and edit things. So you can actually literally create a choose your own adventure story that you can go ahead and sell, and actually create the artwork for you as well. So you can actually make money from both things and create a choose your own adventure story. But of course, I'm still not done yet. I also found another AI system where basically, let's say that you do not want to think about prompts. Okay, you're sitting there saying to yourself, you know what? Okay, I've got these prompts, but everybody else got these prompts also. What am I going to do now? And you don't want to think of your own prompts, no problem. I just found a brand new system, which this one is like super cool. Instead of having to come up with a prompt, it gives you a list of characters. Okay, so you start off actually. Well, first of all, you start off with what they call a story set. So you can choose Spooky, The Little Forest, Ocean of Wonders. Okay, so for example, if you choose Spooky, then basically what it's going to do is it's going to give you a list of characters. All right, and so you can choose the Black Cat, the Gargoyle, the Bat, the Witch, the Zombie, whatever you want. Okay, and once you do that, you simply click Continue, and then it instantly creates a story for you. Nothing else to do. You don't have to think of any prompts. You don't have to put in anything. You don't have to combine Midjourney and whatchamacallit and ChatGPT. Everything is literally done for you right from the start. Every time it's going to come up with a brand new unique story, brand new unique imagery. It is the ultimate system for creating AI, and nobody else has a course on this thing except for me. I found it. I put together a course on it. But of course, I'm still not done yet. In addition to all of that, I am also handing over to you 2 more courses. So first of all, I found what I call the Midjourney Killer, which actually will show you really, really cool methods for creating artwork that you can't do anywhere else. First of all, this thing is trained only on licensed materials, so that there's no question that it is legal to use, because Midjourney is trained on artwork from all over the web. This system is trained on licensed materials, and it also does things that you can't do elsewhere. So for example, I put together a logo of Man in the Hat. You can see it on my website, and basically Man in the Hat is written out using a bunch of hats inside of the text of the characters. That's a very, very unique thing. They have all kind of really cool features there, like you can replace backgrounds. Really, really an amazing, amazing thing that you're getting from me. And in addition to that, if all that is not enough, I also found another system where basically you can draw a stick figure, because that's pretty much all I can do on my own. You know, I could draw a simple, stupid stick figure and turn it instantly into artwork. The system is designed to show you exactly what to do. And again, you're going to get PLR rights to every single one of my courses. So all these courses come with full PLR rights. You can sell them, you can give them away, you can use them as your own bonus. The whole business, all of these bonuses, $17 for everything. That is truly, truly incredible. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. Oh, wait, before I do, let me go ahead and actually show you the members area. Basically, it's just a download. You know, you're going to see click, it says click here, and you're going to click there in order to get your prompts. There's also 40 Halloween children's story prompts, so you can get those as well. And they have training here, how to edit the images and how to edit the stories and whatnot. It's very, very simple stuff. So let's see if I can formally give it.
You rock!
Tip my hat to product creator or not. Yeah, seriously, you the man. This is really, really awesome. I love this thing. Anytime you can make money in the wider world as opposed to just for the make money online world, that is a win in my book. And this one is a slam dunk. Grab this, you're going to love it.